guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about an articles. Yes guys, articles is the basic thing that you should know in grammar. Article is a, an and the. These three words, the uses of the correct of these three words in your conversation and a statement you should know very well. So let's start. So first we will learn the types of articles. The first is indefinite articles and second is definite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an, and definite articles are the, or sometimes we pronounce the. So in this video guys we will learn about the indefinite article first, the correct uses of a and an. So let's see some examples. Okay guys, we all know the uses of an. We have read already in our primary that an is always used before vowel. What is vowel? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and an is always used before the vowels. Yes, this is correct. But articles say that an is used before the vowel sound. Yes, articles work only the vowel sound. Let's see the examples. If I say orange, orange is a start with the vowel O. O is the vowel. So we will use here an orange. Same next, apple. Apple is an A is an vowel and sounding a, an apple. Yes. Now third is the honest person. Starting with H. H is a consonant. We will use here an. Why we will use here an? N is started with consonant, but the pronunciation of honest is with O, not H. Honest is wrong. Honest, honest person. This is the first word of the pronunciation. O is the vowel and honest person. We use an. See, the last example is university. U. U is a vowel, but here we will not use an. We will use here a. Why in university? The sound of U here, not a o. It's not starting with a and o. It is starting with sound here. Here is not sound of vowel. So university, a university is the correct. Same as a euro. Euro is also starting with year sound. It is vowel but starting with the year sound, so it is used as a before the Europe. Yes, articles say that it works only on the vowel sound, not only the vowel words. O, a. Here O is the vowel sound, but here is not a vowel sound. University. Let's clear some more concept, guys. The use of a. A always used with countable nouns, starting word with consonant sound with singular word. Yes guys, what is consonant? वॉवल्स के अलावा जितने हमारे अल्फ़ाबेट्स होते हैं वो कॉन्सोनेंट आर्ट में होते हैं. कॉन्सोनेंट्स प्लस सिंगुलर फॉर्म, नॉट प्लूरल फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने यहाँ लिखा है बुक, पेन, गर्ल. बुक कैन बी अ काउंटेबल, पेन ऑल्सो कैन बी अ काउंटेबल एंड गर्ल कैन बी अ काउंटेबल. सो वी विल राइट अ बुक, अ पेन, अ गर्ल. गाइज अ बुक मैंने लिखा है यहाँ पे. अगर मैं ये बुक्स लिख दूँगी तो इसके साथ अ नहीं लगेगा क्योंकि ये प्लूरल फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. हम सिर्फ सिंगुलर फॉर्म के साथ लगाते हैं कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड वालों के साथ. सेम हेयर एंड जैसे हमने पीछे एग्जांपल देखा था. एंड काउंटेबल सिंगुलर स्टार्टिंग विथ वोवल साउंड एंड वर्क्स ओनली फॉर द वोवल साउंड इन आर्टिकल्स विच आर काउंटेबल एंड विच आर सिंगुलर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने पीछे यूनिवर्सिटी का एग्जाम्पल देखा था. यूनिवर्सिटी इज स्टार्टिंग विथ वोवल बट द साउंड इज नॉट वोवल. Sound is here and here is not a vowel. So here we not use an, we use a university. Let's see the correct uses of a and an through this examples. Guys, a हमेशा आपको ध्यान रखना है कि मोस्टली हम वही यूज़ करते हैं नॉट मैंशन स्पेसिफिक थिंग्स, जहाँ पे स्पेसिफिक थिंग्स मैंशन ना हो. लेट्स सी सम एग्जाम्पल्स. डैश यूजफुल हिंट फॉर डैश essay. This is a useful hint for my essay. So useful is a vowel. Here we will use a or an. Now see the sound of the vowel. U is a vowel. Useful. Your sound is there. So your sound is not a vowel sound. So here we will use A. A useful hint for essay. E is a vowel and sounding of a vowel. And essay. A useful hint for an essay. Now second one, idea for a story. Idea. I is a vowel and sound is also a vowel. So we will put here an idea for story. S is a consonant and sound is also a consonant. So we will use here a. An idea for a story. Now next one, Europe artist and dash Indian engineer. Europe. Europe is started with E. E is a vowel but sound is consonant. Your sound is there. Your is not a vowel sound. So we will put here a instead of an. A European artist and Indian engineer. I is a, also a vowel and sound is also a vowel sound. So we will put here an. A European artist and an Indian engineer. Hope guys you have clear your concept of using a and an. This is a part 1 of this video. In part 2 we will learn the correct uses of the or the. That will be soon uploading guys. Thank you so much. You like this video and you will wait for the second part of this video, the uses of the in the sentence. Yes guys, for more videos please like and follow my channel.